Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about filter queues used in Power Automate and Power Automate Desktop. Uh, Generally, we use XPath queries in there, but many of us gets confused that how we are going to apply a queue. So I will try to explain it in a simple way so that you will understand it properly and you will be able to use filter queues in future. Let us create a flow for that as filter work queue, and here once the flow is created we'll start from basic. Before that, let me show you the queue that I have created in backend. It's a work queue. Now in here the scenario which we are expecting is here we will have the work queue, and in this work queue we have the items. Let us refresh it. It's a retriever queue. We have filter queue, and in this filter queue we have three filter queue items. Now what we will do, we will create a filter query that will order this queue items in a descending order and retrieve it, so that first the queue item will be picked as test 3, after that test 2, and after that test 1. Eventually if we use the process work queue item action, it will start from first come first out mechanism, but let's try to do it with the descending order. And here we have the flow created. Let us create a filter work queue items action. Let us have it added in here. Get work queue items by filter, and here let's select the work queue. It's filter work queue, and now what filter query do we need to add in here? So if we go in more info, we will have those details present in this documentation. We can see that we have multiple filter attributes present, and this one is going to be our filter query. And again we have the order uh, uh, attribute present in here. So let us go and copy this filter first and paste it in here. Now we need state code to be 0. Eventually what state code is, it says it is in a queued. If we scroll a little bit down, we have the details present in here. If the state code is 0, it says that the queue item is queued. If it is 1, it is in processing, and if it is 2, it is processed. If the queue state code is 3, it is on hold, and if the state code is 4, it has error. Now we have all the queue items as queued, so we will use state code as 0. Let's go back in Power Automate. Now we have changed it to 0 and remove the other filter. Now again, this expiry date we don't need it, so we will just remove this one as well. Now the filter part is completed. If we just run it, we will see the output. Let's just run it first, and now if we checked it, we have the output in ascending order. We have test 1 extracted first, after that we have test 2, and we have test 3. But our requirement is that we should first go with test 2. So in that scenario, what we will do, we will again add order query in here. Let us go back in this documentation and copy this order attribute and paste it below. And here, instead of using expiry date, what we will use created on attribute, since we are asking about that. Go in work queues and search for the work queue items in a descending order, and again in here we will add it as true. That's it. Let us just save it and run it. Now if we check the output, we can see uh, it is retrieved in descending order. If I checked new one, it has test 2. Again third one, it will be test 1. So that's it, how we are able to apply a filter query in our queue. So even if we want to use this filter query in other, we can directly use it by copying this, and we can just use it in process work queue item as well. Now if I put it in here, not like that. If I just select a query queue item and then add a filter query in here and save it, we can just add a display message in here for our understanding. Let's just add it in here and let's say the work queue item dot name. Let's just run the code, and here we can see it first retrieved a test 3, after that test 2, and after that test 1. So it has gone in a descending order instead of going through ascent. So I hope that is clear for every one of you. Let us go with the breaking. Let's break this query in understandable way so that we can use it in a different way also. So if we check this query, these are attributes that we can utilize in this filter or else in order. After that, this section says whatever the thing we need to filter. Again, type says do we need to apply and condition or condition, and again order by says on what basis we need to order the query. So that's it for this video. I hope you understand everything, and let's meet for next time with a new topic. Thank you.